In this Mosaic tips and tricks video, I'm going to show you how to access and download some optional libraries that are available in Mosaic, as well as some additional insert libraries that you can download from the forum. Currently, I have all the standard insert libraries here that comes with the initial download, but I'm missing the Bloom inserts, the Salici inserts, as well as the organizer inserts that were introduced in version 13.1. Also, if you look at my product libraries in the upper left, I'm missing the Frameless Pilasters, Frameless Shadow Rails product library, Gola cabinets, and the Miter Folds V12 product library. I would like to have all of those available to me in case I need them. First thing you need to do is go to the Help menu and let's log into the Mosaic forum. Now that I've logged into the Mosaic forum, I'm in the category section. I'm going to select the category Software Updates. Now there's a couple ways you can download the optional libraries. One, you can select the optional libraries tab here. As you can see, this was last updated on 9/24, and the click here will allow you to download the product library installer. Let's go back one more step and let's go to the software update current version. If you scroll down on the update that says current version to the bottom of the first thread, this is where you will download the current version of the software. As you can see, version 13.1.9 is our current version. As well as below that, you can click here to download the version 13.1 product library installer. Let's go ahead and select the product library installer. Now that I have the Mosaic Libraries 13.1.1 installer downloaded, I'm going to go ahead and double click on the execution file. One thing to keep in mind is Mosaic must be closed down, and anything associated with Mosaic, such as PDF files that you open through the software, the optimizer, also must be closed. Let's go ahead and select the installer. It's going to ask me if I want to make changes to my computer. Say yes, and then the installer will pop up. Select next. If you want to read the terms of our agreement, please do so. And once you accept the license agreement, select next. Now, here's where you're going to start to check the boxes for the libraries that you do not currently have. I currently have the Face Frame Cabinets V12 and Frameless V12, as well as all these other initial libraries, but I am missing the Frameless Pilasters, Frameless Shadow Rails, my Gola Cabinets V12, and my Miter Folds. I do not want to download and overwrite any of these existing catalogs. Do not do that if you've added products to your catalogs or have done some modifications. The Sample E catalog that is available for download also, that is the mapping catalog for the 2020 import that is available through the enterprise version only. So I'm not going to download it. I'm going to select next. My next options bring me to my insert downloads, and I do need the Bloom Insert V12, the Salici Inserts V12, as well as the organizers. I'm going to go ahead and select next. Select next one more time. As you can see, this will be downloaded into the Mosaic folder on your C drive. If you are file sharing, once these are downloaded, you will need to make a copy of those actual product libraries as well as inserts and put them on your shared file location. Let's select next. As you can see, the installer has started. Now that my installation was successful, I'm going to select finish. And I'm going to go back into my C drive, into Mosaic, and I'm going to open back up the software. Now with Mosaic open back up, I'm going to go ahead and select the job I started, which is called Optional Libraries. And I'm going to go to the Products tab. As you can see, I'm not file sharing on this particular computer, but when I drop my product menu, you can see I do have the Frameless Pilasters library now, the Frameless Shadow Rails library, the Gola Cabinets library, as well as the Miter Folds library. If you do go to my libraries inserts, and let's verify that the inserts libraries have also downloaded. I'm going to drop the main menu. As you can see, I did download the Bloom Inserts V12, the Organizers, as well as the Salesi Inserts V12. So if you're missing any of those particular libraries or inserts, please log into the Mosaic forum and download and execute the optional product libraries.